Hello, welcome to your latest national weather update from the Met Office. Clear skies at night. Throughout this week are going to allow temperatures to get close to freezing. Some chilly mornings ahead. High pressure means that we're not going to see much rain through the rest of this week either. But the winds are coming around that high pressure in from the north and bringing that somewhat fresh start to Tuesday. Overnight, well, we'll see mostly clear skies. Any showers around on Monday evening will fade, but we will see more showers just pushing back into northern Scotland through the night and maybe drifting into the borders come first thing in the morning. For most, though, it will be dry and clear, and as I mentioned, that is going to allow those temperatures to tumble 3 or 4. That's towns and cities. Some rural spots may well dip down close to freezing. So a chilly start to Tuesday, but generally a fine and bright start for most of England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Quite a lot of cloud across Scotland with a few showers here, and they do trickle southwards. So we could see some showers cropping up over parts of northern England and pushing south, maybe towards the Midlands and East Anglia by the end of the day. But they'll be pretty well scattered. I think most places will have a dry day. Sunny spells continuing over the south and across Wales and Northern Ireland for most of the day. And it should brighten up across parts of Scotland by the afternoon too. That breeze is still coming down onto some of these North Sea coasts. So it's going to feel fresh here, particularly if it stays glum and cloudy. But where we see some sunny spells with light winds, it shouldn't feel too bad, even though temperatures are only around or a touch below average at 15 or 16. But feeling, as I say, pretty cold on some of those eastern coasts at 10 or 11 at the very best. Quite quickly, again, on Tuesday evening, temperatures will fall away. Any scattered showers remaining over eastern England will tend to disappear, and then we'll have lengthy clear spells. And again, the winds will be fairly light, so hints of blue on the chart, touch of frost likely over northern England and Scotland. Again, certainly in rural areas, we'll see a frost, and even further south in the countryside, pockets of frost are possible as we head into Wednesday. Wednesday is then generally a dry and a bright day, again, for the majority, a sunnier day probably for eastern Scotland. It'll be the eastern parts of England that will see, again, quite a lot of cloud with a small chance of 1 or 2 light showers. Western areas generally favoured for sunny spells during the day. And again, it makes all the difference. The sunshine could see temperatures 15, 16, maybe 17 Celsius, but where it stays cloudy with a breeze off the sea, just 11 or 12 will feel really quite fresh. During Wednesday evening, not a great deal of change. Again, with the clear skies, we will have those temperatures tumbling under this area of high pressure, which is by Thursday sitting slap bang over the UK. So light winds, clear skies, a continued risk of nighttime frosts, but generally a lot of dry and fine weather by day through this week until this set of weather fronts starts to introduce cloud and perhaps some rain into the north and northwest come the weekend. But certainly a lot of dry weather through the rest of this week. For day-to-day details and a full week ahead forecast, subscribe to our YouTube channels.